I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in and out using the Paycom app. First, open the Paycom application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Time Management or Time Clock section. It's crucial to ensure your device's location services are enabled for accurate time recording. This helps your employer verify your work location, ensuring a smooth and precise clock-in experience every time you start your shift. To clock in, simply tap the prominent Clock In button displayed within the Time Management section. Before confirming, take a moment to verify that the displayed time and date are absolutely correct. This quick check helps prevent any errors. After confirming, a clear confirmation message will appear on your screen, indicating that your clock-in was successful and your work period has officially begun. When your shift concludes, return to the Time Management section of the Paycom app. Here, you will find the Clock Out option. Tap this to record the end of your work period. Just like clocking in, it is important to confirm your clock out to finalize your work period accurately. This ensures all your hours are correctly logged, providing a complete record of your workday. After clocking out, you can easily access your time card or timesheet within the app to review all your recorded hours. If you encounter any issues, such as the app not responding, first check your internet connection or ensure your app is updated to the latest version. For any discrepancies or persistent problems, it is best to contact your HR department directly for prompt assistance and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.